Our robots have a limited decision-making capacity. They are not able to make human-like choices based on feelings, intuition, or prior knowledge. Their decisions, represented as conditions within code, are based on logic. When programming the robots, all of the decision-making conditions must be formed in a way where the answer is either yes or no, true or false. This is an implementation of Boolean logic, which uses a set of comparison and logical operators. The comparison operators allow the robot to have a basis for making decisions. For example, is the value in timer T1 less than 2 minutes? This condition can be answered as either yes or no. If the value of timer T1 is 500, then the robot will evaluate it as true. These decisions are made using the following Boolean operators. The double equal sign literally reads is equal to. Programmers commonly use it to create an infinite loop. Since 1 is equal to 1, and always will be, this condition allows the robot to be radio controlled indefinitely. An exclamation point followed by an equal sign means is not equal to. This sample code tells the robot to stop driving straight, back up, and turn if the bumper switch on the front of the robot is not released. As soon as the switch is pressed, the sensor value equals 1, the condition is true, and the code within the if statement will run. The left-angled bracket checks if the value of whatever is on the left of the operator is less than the value of what is on the right. So here, the robot will accept radio control commands while less than 120,000 milliseconds have elapsed. Appending an equal sign to the end of the left-angled bracket checks instead for is less than or equal to. So adding it here will allow the robot to accept radio control commands up until 2 minutes have elapsed. The right-angled bracket checks if the value of whatever is on the left of the operator is greater than the value of what is on the right. With this code, the robot veers toward the right if the value of the left encoder is higher than the value of the right encoder. And finally, appending an equal sign to the end of the right-angled bracket changes it to a check for is greater than or equal to. As it is used in this sample code, the robot will move forward while the ultrasonic rangefinder detects that it is at least 5 inches away from the nearest object. Generally, you will find this set of Boolean operators in loops and conditional statements where only simple, one-dimensional decisions are needed. To learn how your robot is able to make more complex decisions, continue on to the next video.